I think we started last year. I think we had a tournament that we initiated last year. It's called Keep Her Clean, where ladies play a one-day tournament. The reason we had that program in place was to accommodate the girl child. Because it's observable, or you can't say about 23% of the population level grounding. Then we are asking ourselves, so that is why we introduced that. And I'm proud to say that I think early next year, in January, starting the Meme Food, where again, we will be officially launching an official sponsor for the ladies. Yes, we will be playing an official league. Later be under the auspices of the whole Regional Football Association. Stay spread because what we've observed, in particularly la kuma CBDs, la matolopa, la banvana ba vulnerable, so bakina sebenda tie matin voleting abalungele. So we do have tournaments that are looking into the girl's child. Guna putin jela pa ucoge I Fly Emirates. They are a saloon, gentlemen's barber shop. It's one of the stakeholders that have also partnered in empowering the girl's child. So in Lama 5-a-side one-day tournament, these are the people that are actually partnering with WHO, in particularly drawing attention to the girl child. So we are addressing that. It's just that we're waiting for the right time to actually announce the bosses. And it's like spread region-wide. But out as mass streams because it's not easy like boys to gather them together. So stack spread the wand. So I think that is what we've done to actually protect. Safeguarding. I think you guys know that I'm one of the safeguarding officers. We'll be running my workshops. Because which most of the time now it's abuse to the girl child. And this is we catalyst lengul and we're happy Ebola iktete yakfaga is a program. So we're also running certain programs to that to also address that because akusilo ukuthi nje bona bahlala kuphela baba khona kwanze kuse baba misuse labanye ukanda sesiba treat sesibasebenzisa as team doctors and everything sesibaniketa responsibility lengasiyo yabo so kufuna babe safeguarded. So those are the programs we have in place. We will officially launch that in the beginning of the year. As this year ends, we are already running the campaign, the Keep Her Clean campaign, in preparation for those tournaments. So we do have a program to that.
Siyabonga Sihlabani. Wayishaya esikhongosini. Ngicabanga simaswati sonke. Ngicabanga ukuthi Football Association inesaye yenyalo lebuyena nayo. Ukuthi ichubeke ifuna ama sponsors. Lenginacela nje kungedakike ukuthi ngicela kushemene ukuthi njengoba umsendo sengimcansa they need to get ama sponsor nabo kakhulu because nabo labantu bangajala bathi bagijima babe banayo 20 rand ukuyothenga insipho bawashi kodwa nginakucela because nami wena Sihlabani ngihluphile lenzaba kakhulu leyo nasi yodonate ngema point eSouth Africa bahambe nako konke so ngaba buhlungu ngathi kodwa Sihlabani ngimtsinza njani azatangibutela ngihluleka kumthola inhlanhla namhlanje sowutile la ngayithola inombolo yakhe ngimbute ukuthi nakakhuluma netemidlalo uthile nginakucela Sherman please akubuke phela not for Hoho only ufuna kube country wide ngoba kunelithalenta lihleli emakhaya lesingaliboni lelingala so na South corner thina ukuthi sesisponsorishela for Hoho kuphela ngiyabekisa le kuboshiselweni kubolibombo nabo manzini sesiyaluza lelo thina sakhona ukubabona sibadlala njalo.